Yeah, I just got a package from
Home Depot.
Yeah, I got a package from Home Depot. Me and my assistant here,
Okay.
my son. Yeah.
I'll open it.
Okay, we. Yeah. Okay. So I got a shear. Milwaukee shear. You okay? You can live it?
No.
Okay, I got it. Daddy got it. I got packed.
Then let's just go.
This is it's actually these two is actually $1,000. It's should be like 9 something, and then including shipping, handling, it's $1,000 for it. But I got it at Home Depot. It's a special. With these two, it's only $6.99 plus shipping is about $730. Not including shipping on. It's free shipping, so it's the tax is about $730. That's including tax. $730, $735, you know. But let's see what it is.
Ow.
Oh,
I got it now, Daddy.
okay.
I just need to go on a different side. I'm gonna one free.
Oh. You want to show them what's inside? That's what it is.
Take this out.
Usually I run packs. I use the clamp, but this is for tight area and everything. Operations should be simple. I got 3 head. Twist it here. Push it down. Twist it. Pop it out. You got your head right here.
Are you gonna need this?
Yeah, they need that later.
Okay.
So you got your head. This is ½ inch. They give me a ½ inch. This one is a 1 inch and a 3/4 inch. Okay. Got a 3/4 inch.
Are you gonna need this now, Dad?
That's Daddy set that on Daddy's phone. All you do is put it back. You just put this in, go back. My next video I'm going to show you how to use it. Okay? But it's a pretty good deal. For $730 for the 2 unit. This is the shear. This alone is $200 just for this. Okay. This alone is $200. I'm going to hold on. Let me get PVC pipe.
Yeah. I know what that is.
Well, I got a 1 1/4 inch PVC pipe here.
That's huge.
That's huge.
Yes.
That's big. It can cut up and it will cut up to 2 inch. Okay. It's so simple. You press this button right here and put this on a release. Press it. And it should release it. Oh, why is it giving me a problem? Okay. When it go all the way down, it actually
Holy
lock it.
moly.
And go show you how simple it is. Put forward. And let's see what's these button. Well, there's no button. And so simple. Put forward. Then you go. So simple. Easy cut. Nice, perfect cut. You see, cutting small. Alright.
I'll just take that thing.
You want this?
I'll just keep
Okay, you can have it.
it. I'll just keep it here.
So that's what you get for special rate. I think it's about to run out at Home Depot also, but you have to order it. You can't just buy it at the store. And what else you have to say?
I don't know.
You're my number one guy, right?
No.
No?
No.
What?
I'm your number 3.
Number 3?
I'm your number 2.
Number 2 guy. So yeah, he think is. Don't forget to subscribe. And like I say on my other video, I'm going to start giving out free tools, but I'm going to start giving out my news tool first, and then after that I'm going to start giving out new tools. So don't forget to subscribe and comment on my videos. And thank you for watching. And if you like my video, like I say, please subscribe, right?
Yeah. And Matt, my brother is gonna hand out money when his channel gets more subscribers.
Okay. All right. Thank you. And have a good day.